Good morning, children. How are you? I am Vijayashree Yadav from Techno India Group Public School, Bhopal. Today, I will teach you EVS Chapter 6, Leaves in Our Life. What is the importance of leaf in our life? As you all know, in the last video, in the last chapter, I have taught you that why plants is necessary for our life. Why they are necessary for our life? Because plants provide us oxygen, plants provide us fresh air, and plants also provide us food to eat because all foods, whatever we eat, all we get from the plants. Either it will be vegetables, grains, and whatever fruits, all we get from the plants. The clothes we wear, all these also we get from the plants, from the cotton plant, from the jute plant, and house the table on which you sit, on bed on which you sleep, all door of your houses, all we get from these plants. So without plants we can't survive. Now in this chapter I will teach you about the importance of leaf in our life. As you see in the blackboard, you are looking at the blackboard, there are different kinds of the leaves. You know leaves? Leaves means these are the leaves. These are called the leaves. Okay? Now in our surrounding we find different kinds of the tree and they have different kinds of the leaf. Today you will watch different kinds in your surrounding and collect different kinds of the leaf and you will paste in your copy and write this leaf is of that tree. Suppose this is a people tree leaf. So you have to write people tree leaf. It's clear? You have to find the name of the tree and also you have to write the leaf's name. Now let us start. In our surrounding, we find different kinds of the leaves. Here you can see these leaves are in the round shape. They are mostly found in the water. This is a lotus leaf. These are called the big leaf, small leaf, compound leaf, and the simple leaf. And the people, money plants have the same shape leaf. Now you can see here this leaf in a you can see this is a different shape, pan ke patte ki shape is this is a different kind of leaf. Now firstly I will tell you the parts of the leaf. You can see in this leaf, this part, you can see here this part is called the leaf stalk. जो टहनी होती है आपकी, this is called the leaf stalk. And on the leaves you find the different kinds of the lines. This is called leaf vein. You can see in your hand different type of vein. आपके हाथों में नसें दिखाई देती हैं. आप यहाँ देखोगे today you will watch. This is called veins. In the same way, leaves also have a veins. हमारी तरह इनमें भी veins होती हैं जो leaves को grow करने में help करती हैं. Next, this is called the upper part of the leaf. आप ये देख लो बहुत नुकीला है, just like a knife or like a blade. And this is called leaf blade. Is clear? Again I repeat you, this is called leaf stalk. These are called the leaf veins. This is called leaf blades. आगे का जो part है, this is called leaf blades, and this is called side veins. Now you have understand. Here now I will show you different kinds of. This is a people leaf. It is in another shape. This leaf is also in a small leaf. You can see here. This is another shape. This is called the compound leaf. I have drawn a picture of compound leaf. This is called compound leaf. It has a different shape. Now these leaves are in the round shape. You can see here. You can see here, and all leaves have a stalk. All leaves have a veins. All leaves have a blades. Now you can see these leaves are in the purple color and it also have a different shape. These leaves are very thin and very small. You can see here, it also have a different shape. Now, this is very long leaves. आप जंगल में जाओगे और लंबी लंबी नहीं. This is long leaf also called medium sized leaf. And you can see, find the same things in all leaves. All leaves have a stalk. This is called a stalk. All leaves have a veins. All leaves have a blades. So understand, leaves have a different size, and it has a stalk, it has a leaf blade, and it has also a vein. Now let us start the chapter. I have already told you about different leaf diversity. Leaf diversity means different kinds of the leaf. There we find here different kinds of the leaf. This is called the leaf diversity. Long leaf, compound leaf, small leaf, and this is a fan-shaped leaf, and this is a simple leaf, and this is in the round-shaped leaf. This is called the leaf diversity. Now next is, here you find, you can see different shape of the leaf: round, oval shape, long leaf, triangular leaf, and this is called the, I have forget the shape, this is called the triangular leaf. Needle shaped leaf, this is called the needle shaped leaf, and the smell leaf. Here the smell, all leaves have a different smell. If you smell these leaves, अगर आप इनको सूंघोगे, you find the different kind of the smell. In tulsi leaf, you find different kind of smell. In gulab leaf, in the lotus leaf, you find a different kind of smell. Neem leaf, you find a different kind of the smell. Smell मतलब एक अलग ही खुशबू, सबकी खुशबू जो होती है वो अलग अलग होती है. Next, why leaves are very useful to us? Because they are the main source of the food. If leaf will be not there, there will be no fruit in the tree. So these leaves are the source of food for us. And these leaves, green leaves make food for the plants. ये जो leaves होती हैं, जो green leaves होती हैं, they make the food for the plants. ये हमारे plants में they provide the food. Now, green leaves make food for the plants in the presence of air, water and sunlight. किसकी presence में? If their leaf will not get air, water, sunlight, then it will give us no fruit and it will not grow. So in the presence of air, water and sunlight, it provides us food. And this process is called the photosynthesis. Some food made by the leaf is used by plants for its growth. Rest is stored in the different parts of the plants is used by the animals and the human being benefit. So these why leaves are important for the human also and for the animals. Now many animals are such a kind which only eat the leaves, like the goat, deer, giraffe. They only eat the leaves of the plants. We eat like a spinach, lettuce, betel and the fenugreek. A leaf of indigo and the henna means to मेहंदी होती है. They are used for dye. जो सर में कलर लगाते हैं, this is called a dye. And leaves of the tea plants are used to prepare a tea. जो टी की लीव्स होती हैं उस समय टी पीने को मिलती थी. और you know चाय we get from the tea leaves. And curry leaves, bay leaves, coriander and maize leaf are used to add the flavor of the food item. मोस्टली आप देखें कि आपके बहुत से खाने ऐसे भी जिसमें कड़ी पत्ता पड़ता है, तो it add the flavor, ये हमारे खाने का स्वाद बढ़ा देता है और ज़्यादा अच्छा इससे लगने लगता है. जैसे coriander leaves में धनिया की पत्ती हुई, curry leaves it add the flavor in our food. The leaves named tulsi and eucalyptus have medicinal value. कुछ लीव ऐसी होती हैं जो हमारे मेडिसिन में काम आती हैं. आप एट द प्रेजेंट टाइम यू आर सीइंग कि मैनी टाइम वी आर ड्रिंकिंग काढ़ा. एट प्रेजेंट वी आर ड्रिंकिंग डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ द काढ़ा. ये हमें जो काढ़ा पीने को मिल रहा है वो हमें किससे मिलता है? तुलसी की पत्तियों से एंड जिंजर एंड ऑल दीज आर यूज फॉर द मेडिसिन. Roof of the hut are often made using the leaves of the coconut palm and the data palm. आप ये देखो, जो गांव में जो मोस्टली हाउस होती है, इन द विलेजेस में मोस्टली हाउस हैव अ रूफ. उनकी पक्की छत होती है, दे हैव अ रूफ एंड दीज आर वी आल्सो गेट फ्रॉम द कोकोनट ट्री. कोकोनट के ट्री की जो लीव्स होती हैं वो बहुत लंबी होती हैं. So from the coconut trees and we get the hut. Dry leaves of the dharp tree are used to make up plants and bowl. आपने देखा होगा जो पत्तल होती हैं, these are made of the dharp trees and they are used to serve the food. Shedding of the leaf, most plants shed their leaf once a year. बहुत से प्लांट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो हमें साल में एक ही बार छाया देते हैं, कुछ प्लांट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो एवरग्रीन रहते हैं, जो हमेशा ग्रीन रहते हैं, और सम प्लांट्स आर देयर, सम ड्राई आफ्टर विंटर, सम ड्राई आफ्टर समर, कुछ गर्मियों के में सूख जाते हैं, कुछ जाड़ों के टाइम में सूख जाते हैं। तो इन द कोल्ड प्लेस, जो बहुत ठंडी जगह होती हैं, वेयर आइस इज लाइंग एवरी टाइम, तो वहाँ पे आपके ट्रीज में जो पत्तियाँ होती हैं वो बहुत कम हमें शेड देती हैं। सो लीव्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, प्रोवाइड अ शेड। व्हेनेवर आप कभी घूमने जाते हैं, आपने देखा होगा इन द विलेज, यू मोस्टली गो टू द विलेज, तो आप देखते हैं व्हेन पीपल टायर्ड, व्हेनेवर पीपल टायर्ड दे सिट अंडर द शेड ऑफ द ट्री। तो वो जो शेड होती है आदमी को बहुत मन को शांति भी देती है और मन को ठंडकता भी प्रदान करती है। तो हियर ग्रामा से पीपल ऑफन ड्राई द लीफ, मनुष्य क्या करते हैं फर्स्ट टाइम ये लीव्स को जला देते हैं। तो वी शुड नॉट बर्न द लीफ, व्हाई? बिकॉज दिस बर्निंग ऑफ द लीव्स इज कॉल्ड द एयर पॉल्यूशन। व्हाट शुड वी डू विद द फैलन लीव्स? हमें जो पत्तियां गिर जाती हैं उनके साथ हमें क्या करना चाहिए? हमें वी शुड थ्रो दैम इनटू द वाटर, या वी शुड थ्रो दैम इनटू अ पिट, कोई भी एक होल बनाओ उसमें इकट्ठा कर दो, एंड इट विल बी मेक अ कंपोस्ट, मतलब ये हमारे लिए खाद बनेगा, एंड इट विल बी यूजफुल फॉर द प्लांट्स आल्सो। सो आई रिकॉल यू अगेन, देयर आर द डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ द लीव, all leaves have a same thing, all leaves have a stalk, all leaves have a side vein, all leaves have a leaf vein, all leaves have a leaf blade. So all leaves are, but they are in the different size and different, they are mostly leaves are in the green color, and some only 2 or 3 leaves are found in the different color. So leaves are very important for our life. Now you have to collect different kinds of leaves. आपको after watching this video, you have to collect different kinds of the leaf. आपको different type की leaf इकट्ठी करनी है, and you have to paste in your copy. आपको ये सारी leaves अपनी कॉपी में चिपकानी है, पेस्ट करनी है, and write their name also. उनके नाम लिखने हैं कि मैम this leaf is of the तुलसी leaf, पीपल leaf, कंपाउंड लीव, मतलब जो भी आपका आसपास रहती है, राइट, फाइंड देयर नेम, एंड मनी प्लांट्स लीव, तो फाइंड देयर नेम, ट्री नेम, एंड राइट द नेम ऑफ द लीव्स। क्लियर? थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।